If you're like me, the Ring security system is the perfect fit for your home. It's a do-it-yourself installation system. It comes with the keypad, or you can buy the keypad. It comes with most of the systems that you buy where you get a set of the installation different devices, and then you decide how many of each you need for your particular home and setup. And the keypad then is a rechargeable battery keypad. You can set it where it lights up as you come by. The main hub is this home base, and it's the only part that plugs into the wall. It's the part that connects to your internet connection and functions as the alarm system for the alarm. These connectors are both for your doors and your windows. Here's one on a door for me, and they are fairly easy to install. I have an old house and old trim work, and I was a little worried that they wouldn't fit, but they have done fine. One of my motion detectors is set up and seems to work effectively. Again, it is run by a battery, and I have yet to need to replace the battery after a year and a half. Here's a window protector, and again, it installed easily on my old windows. The app is easy to use. It's fairly simple. It gives you a couple of views of your cameras that are either Ring compatible, or mine are both Ring. This is a Ring doorbell and a Ring indoor camera that I've pointed out the window at the moment. And you can easily set up and do everything that you need to from your phone with your Ring system. You do need a phone to make the system work, so it is ultimately your setup main device. But you see, you can set up different plans. Then you can set up to record events with your cameras. The recording plan for a single camera is about $4 a month or $40 a year. And if you have multiple cameras, then it becomes $10 a month or $100 a year, I believe, off the top of my head. And here's the plans on Ring, and it shows that you can get your full monitoring for $20 a month or $200 a year if you desire to have monitoring, which is like a traditional alarm system and a response to anything that sets off your alarm, where they would call you or potentially call the proper response for your home. There are lots of additions you can put also with your alarm system, and whether they are glass break sensors or other outdoor cameras, or the flood and freeze sensor, which I have as part of mine. And these also help to keep an eye on your home. To me, the main advantage of all of this is just being able to know that your home is safe and secure. Nothing's opening the doors or windows during the night, and if you're away from home, that you can keep an eye on everything. So thanks for watching.